Hello, my name is Philipp Mennig. I work at the Technical University of Munich, and in our case study we have a look at results-based grasslands conservation in Bavaria. So as you might know, grasslands, especially extensive grasslands, are one of the most rich types of grassland that we have. So we find a lot of species there, and this is why it's also important, of course, to kind of keep them as they are. But they are threatened, especially by intensification in agriculture, by land use change. And so it's important to design new kind of schemes that would benefit both, let's say, the farmer, and would also be environmentally effective, that we can kind of keep these species-rich grasslands. So in our case in Bavaria, they included this results-based measure in the year 2015. And what does it mean? So the farmer gets paid for the result, which in this grassland conservation means he gets paid if he can really prove that due to his management we find now more species on his fields than previously. So what we try to really see in this scheme is, does it work better than the action-based one? So we have the advantage that we have at the moment in Bavaria both schemes still running. So the action-based one and the new one, which gives you flexibility, but it also makes farmers more aware of how what they're doing actually affects the environment. So what we've seen in the Bavarian scheme was that compared to the action-based ones, the uptake rates are rather low. So we said, okay, how do we have to design a scheme that more farmers are willing to participate? So what we have a look at are two specific things. So first, in terms of design, how can we make it more attractive for farmers to join these schemes, which we will do with a choice experiment. And as I said before, having a look at, does it really perform better in terms of cost effectiveness or environmental effectiveness than the old action-based scheme. So we will gather data. We target 5 regions in Bavaria. So we do farm level analysis. That means we collect production data. How does the farm manage the grassland that it uses? And also we will try to gather information on the species richness of his grassland. And we will do this for farms that participate in the old scheme, in the action-based one, for farms that participate in the new one, and also for farms that do not participate in any scheme. And in applying probably a data envelopment analysis, we can probably see which type of scheme is more effective. And with the choice experiment, we also try to see how do we need to design it, that it's attractive for farmers, because in the end, the aim is obviously also to make more farmers join the scheme.